Ma Chao, show them the pride and soul of Liang.
Master Ma Chao, I entrust the future of Liang with you.
I won't disappoint you. I shall use my spear to clear us a path.
You rebels will never get your hands on Liang. Ma Chao, take out the enemy base and lead our allies. Pang Dang, protect the main camp and wait for the advance. It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice!
A defense base. Get ready. It's gonna be well guarded. An attack base? Destroy it before it causes any more damage.
I must retreat. Now.
I fight in the name of justice! The main unit of Dong Zhuo's army is yet to arrive. We'd better call in our allies before it gets here.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice! Our allies will have no problem getting through now.
You've been training hard.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
I fight in the name of justice!
I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
We missed the first attack. Come on, let's get out there.
A supply base. Break it up to weaken the enemy. It'll take more than just you to stop me.
Our allies will have no problem getting through now.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice!
My lord, enemy reinforcements are assembling in the southeast. You're by yourself. You must have some courage.
You truly are the pride of Xi.
I must retreat. For now.
I fight in the name of justice!
Destroy the enemy base and hold off their reinforcements. Never fear. I will lead the way to victory.
Did you think you could overcome this base?
Death to all who oppose my leadership! That's it! Stay right on Dong Zhuo's tail!
We've got them right where we want them.
Drat, I'm late. There's still plenty of work to be done. You think I'd come without a plan? Aim for Dong Zhuo! Keep pushing the front line!
I won't lose a second time. I fight in the name of justice!
Who could have foreseen this? This should be over shortly. Your assistance is greatly appreciated.
I shall show no mercy. I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice! Don't think you'll get away with that! I won't lose a second time! I fight in the name of justice!
That's what we've been waiting to see.
Some battles you win, and some battles you lose.
I fight in the name of justice! Don't think you'll get away with that! I won't lose a second time! I fight in the name of justice! Farewell!
That's enough of that for now.
I fight in the name of justice!
We have brought an end to the tyranny of Dong Zhuo. Now the lands of Liang may return to a life of peace. This just goes to show that the warriors of Liang are not to be trifled with. However, the land is vast. It is only a matter of time before another Dong Zhuo rises to threaten the land. We must prepare ourselves for when that time comes.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is famous in 2 kingdoms for remarkable intellect.